Good morning friends. Today we discuss about agronomy. Let's start. The most suitable variety of wheat for late sown condition is Sonalika. Grain to straw ratio is most of the Mexican wheat variety is 1:1 ratio. The cereal crop which is most suitable for the saline sodic soil barley. The center of origin of wheat is Southwest Asia. The maximum area under wheat in USSR. Now at present time, China. The most common cereal millet crop grown in arid climate is pearl millet. Maize crop planted at a spacing 50 into 20 centimeter will have plant 1 lakh plants per hectare. The optimum temperature range for the sowing of wheat is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Most suitable temperature for the growth of maize is 32 degrees Celsius. The cropping sequence of maize, wheat, moong is 300%, which is the leading state in Rabi maize production, Bihar. The second most important pulse crop in India is chickpea, first position, arhar second position. For Kharif season, black gram, the recommended optimum seed rate is 12 to 15 kg per hectare. The crop of group rapeseed and mustard except Taramira belongs to the family Cruciferae, which crop is more prone to frost and cold injury, Thoria. The sunflower crop requires cool climate from germination to seedling stage. How many days takes sunflower to mature during Kharif season? 80 to 90 days. Safflower, which is season crop, cool crop. In South India, sesame is grown in Rabi and Kharif season. Linseed crop belongs to the family Linaceae. The inflorescence of sugarcane is called arrow. The sugarcane set roots should be essential have 3-budded. For harvest of sugarcane, the Brix reading ratio of lower and above portion of the 0.9 to 1. Sugar beet is a sugar crop. The Central Rice Research Institute located at Cuttack. What is the ideal temperature for sowing of wheat is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The cultivation of which crop requires waterlogging? Paddy. Water requirement of crop is related to its evapotranspiration. Most common herbicide used in wheat is 2,4-D or isoproteron. Striga is crop associated weed with pearl millet. The International Center for Agriculture Research in Dryland Areas, ICARDA, is established in 1977. Rice is believed to be originated from Southeast Asia. The cultivated species of rice in Asia is Oryza sativa. The rice species confined to Africa is Oryza glabrima. As per FAO, which country is the world has the largest area under rice? India. As per FAO, country have largest producer of rice? China. International Rice Research Institute is established in 1960, Philippines, Manila. Rice variety IR8 was developed in the year 1966. Indian Rice Research Institute was established in 1946. About 90% of the world's area and production of rice in Asia. The inflorescence of rice is known as fanicle. Upland rice in West Bengal is known as As. The average productivity of rice is highest in the state Punjab. The leading state in India of rice production is West Bengal. Which of the non-traditional growing area? Punjab, Haryana. Lowland rice commonly flooded when seedlings are 20 to 30 days old, 25 to 30 days old. In India, indica variety are better adapted to higher temperature. Rice crops should be the harvested moisture content is 15 to 20%. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.